This is pickle candy canes. All right, guys, welcome back to Pocket Watch Studios. My name is Jetta.
And I'm Dalton.
And
oh my gosh.
I know, it's so good, right? Today we're playing Will It Cotton Candy, and we're gonna try to make cotton candy out of all of these different varieties of candy. And see what happens. And the worst thing that can happen is that we'll just end up with more candy.
More candy.
All right, so we're gonna start off with Jolly Ranchers. Here we go, ready? Get in there. Oh. Are you okay?
It hit me.
Whoa.
Wait, is it happening already?
Yeah.
Go,
oh my
help.
gosh.
Help!
It's so strong.
Oh. Why is it so dense?
Oh, I think because the candy's like thick.
Oh.
Oh, I like it. I like it a lot.
I am enjoying myself.
I'm having a good time. Oh, that smells so good. Whoa.
I'm gonna go to a carnival and I'm gonna be like, hey, look, you've been doing the whole sugar cotton candy thing for a while.
Oh my god.
Time to switch it up.
I would say this is a good 4 out of 5. I'm looking forward to the candy corn. That's a good scoop of. Okay, I'm ready to swirl. Ready? Go.
Ah! How'd you go blind? Cotton candy.
Cotton candy. Finally fought back. Are you happy?
I'm happy.
Turn it off.
Look at that little handsome devil. Look at that little
I
handsome
love
devil.
them. They're best friends.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Oh.
Don't like it.
Where did it all go?
In the beginning, it doesn't taste like anything, and then the taste you finally get is like.
It's like what nerds would be if they went bad.
It's like what nerds would be if it was just rat poison. 0 out of 5.
I gotta wash that taste.
I didn't think cotton candy could be bad.
Ah!
Neil!
I like how the cotton candy is orange.
I know. It looks so pretty. Actually, that's so weird. It's yellow on the bottom and orange on top, just like
What?
candy corn is.
Wait. You can see the sides?
Yeah. What do you think it smells like? I love it.
There's a theory that there was only one batch of candy corn made in 1945, and that's been recirculating ever since.
Oh, wait. Oh. Did you like it at first and then stop liking it?
Yeah. That would be what my face did.
When I first put it in my mouth, it tasted like a churro, and then it tasted like poison after like a second.
Like a 1.
Yeah. Or like a 2.
Yeah. We're not rating people, it's just candy.
Yes, but that was my boyfriend, and now I feel like
You're like, I love candy corn.
So now we're on
Alright.
to the concerning round. This is pickle candy canes. I think this is actually.
Oh, it smells like a pickle. What do you put this on top of some gummy burger or something?
Ready? Ah! Oh!
We've awoken the gods.
It's going right away.
This
Not
is working
playing around.
way
Ooh,
better.
It's real sticky though.
Did you get a pickle in the nose? Don't you hate when that happens? I know I do. This is a weird and odd experience. I understand those two words are similar, but it's inappropriate. My mouth and my brain are like, I don't know what's going on.
My mouth and brain, no. They're very sure that they never want to taste.
My mouth's like, why would you do this? 4 out of 5.
No! This doesn't even deserve a 0. This isn't even cotton candy.
This is like skydiving because it's terrifying, but it's an experience, so.
I would rather jump out of a plane without a parachute. We are gonna move on to our final candy, which is... What is this?
Lifesavers.
Oh, lifesavers. Savers.
What? What?
Lifesavers.
Look at this. This is a fully packaged quarter lifesaver. You would die.
Hungry.
If this was your lifesaver, you would be
You're
up
on
the
a
creek.
diet.
Oh!
Oh, it's happening. Oh.
It's angry.
Yeah, that's doing a lot of stuff. Doing a lot of stuff.
Oh my gosh, that smells great.
Ooh.
Should we Lady and the Trampet?
No.
Can we just do this? Huh?
Uh-huh. That's a 5.
That's a 5 right there.
That's as successful as cotton candy
Yeah,
and like a really good taste. It's hardening though.
I know.
Well, that one was definitely my favorite one.
Look at that!
Wow, I love that. Ew.
I didn't regret that. That tastes
It's like
delicious.
chewed gum. Well, thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And let us know in the comments down below if you would try the pickle cotton candy. And we'll see you next time.
Here at Pocket Watch.
Bye.